G'day guys, it's Alan here from Electrical Training Online again and Failer Electrical Facebook page. So today I'm just continuing on with what we looked at yesterday with that other board and the mechanical protection underneath it. So this particular one I'm at the moment hasn't got some protection on the sub-mains cable leaving the switchboard. So I'll turn this around so you can have a bit of a look and see what I'm talking about. So in this particular circumstance, you've got your switchboard with the main switch and the cable is exiting the top of the switchboard here. And in most circumstances, that sort of arrangement isn't an issue. But the problem that we've got is if you have a look here, this switchboard recesses into the cavity of the wall. Now I'll just run around the outside to have a look at the rest of the board for you, where the subboard is going to go. So if you come into the inside here, you can see this is the top of the switchboard. Here's the exit of the sub-mains. Now we turn sideways here a little bit. Here is exactly the situation, is that this is not an RCD protected cable and it's within 50 mil of the surface of a wall and it's fixed in position. So it's fixed in position both at the top of the switchboard. It's also fixed in position where it enters through that noggin. So this whole section here, going right up to wherever it then goes into an eave, up here somewhere, where it enters the eave and it's not fixed, that's okay. In this section here, all the way up to the top, needs to be covered with steel. So that's an example, again, of what's going on, and the Sparky here is actually preparing that now so that I can see that steel in place before it actually goes in. So when we go over here though, similar circumstance, the sub-mains are going to be coming down here, and here they are in the wall. So 16 mil sub-mains protected by a breaker but not protected by an RCD, and they're also going to be fixed in position where it enters the top of this switchboard, and also fixed in position up inside here where it goes through a noggin as well. So in those places it needs to be mechanically protected. So that's another example of some of the clauses that are going to affect the way that you do stuff. So keep an eye out for other things that I put up on Fail Electrical and Electrical Training Online Facebook page, and I'll keep you informed of any other changes as well. Have a good day, guys.